In news overseas, China's daily COVID-19 cases climbed to the highest since the pandemic began, despite the government's zero-tolerance approach. In the meantime, hundreds of Americans celebrate this year's Thanksgiving Day, watching colorful floats and high-flying balloons during an annual parade. These and other global events in tonight's Foreign News Wrap-Up by Megaluna.
China has tightened its measures and curbs after the country reported another one-day COVID case record with more than 32,000 domestic infections on Thursday. According to the National Health Bureau, some 3,000 are experiencing symptoms, while about 29,000 are asymptomatic. Most of the cases were recorded in Guangzhou and Chongqing, while hundreds were reported in Beijing and Wuhan. China's daily COVID cases have surged to the highest since the onset of the pandemic, despite the government's strict zero-COVID policy. The World Health Organization has warned more than 40 million children across the globe face a growing threat of measles. This after vaccination campaigns against the highly contagious disease were disrupted in several countries because of COVID-19 pandemic restrictions. The WHO said vaccine coverage dropped from 86% in 2019 to 81% in 2021, the lowest since 2008. Meanwhile, giant, colorful, and high-flying balloons were the main attraction during this year's Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade in New York City. Hundreds of Americans packed the streets to watch the procession of giant inflatable characters, including Papa Smurf, Minion, and SpongeBob. Around 16 giant balloons, 28 floats, 40 novelty and heritage inflatables, 12 marching bands, and Santa joined the parade. Meg Luna for The Nation.